Hello guys, my today's topic is word problem involving quadratic equations. The problem is in front of you. If x and x plus 2 are two consecutive positive even numbers. Actually, sometimes in the papers or in books it is written if there are two numbers such that if there are two consecutive positive even numbers such that their square of their sums is so and so, what are the numbers, what are the two numbers. So even if this statement or that statement is written, there's no problem at all. In both cases, when you have two consecutive positive even or odd numbers, in both the cases you will suppose two numbers x and x plus 2. So I have involved these numbers in my problem in the first line as a statement. So my numbers, because I don't know actually the number is 8, the number is 4, the number is 2 or 3 or whatever. So I will suppose two general numbers. Even these are two consecutive numbers, even or odd. If these are even or odd and consecutive, you will, in both cases, you will suppose x and x plus 2 are the numbers. You will write down in the question, first of all, let the numbers be x and x plus 2. Then you will start. If the numbers are x and x plus 2 and the sum of their squares is 52, so we will write down this in the form of a statement, in the form of an equation. These are the numbers. I have supposed x and x plus 2, so I will take their squares and add them up and make them equal to 52. This is how to translate this statement in the form of an equation. X square first number, square of first number, plus x plus 2 is second number, square of second number. The sum means addition, plus sum of these two squares is equal to 52. He is saying now we will proceed and we will solve it. X square will come as it is. X plus 2 is the image of first identity, which is a plus b. In the rough column I have written it because these three dots are showing the word because. In mathematics, if we write down two dots and the third one in the lower position, we call it as because a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So keeping in mind this expansion, we will expand this formula as a plus b because here a is x and b is 2. A square plus 2ab means x and 2 plus 2 square. So I have applied this expansion and write it down over here. X square plus 2 into x into 2 means 2ab plus b square means 2 square is equal to 52. Third step, x square as it is, open the brackets and solve these three figures. X square will come as it is plus 2 2s are 4, x will come down plus 2 2s are 2 square means 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4 is equal to, I am not multiplying this 2 with this 2, I have told you before, I am telling you 2 square means 2 multiplied by 2, means you should write down 2 multiplied by 2 in the rough column. So 2 square means 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2s are 4 is equal to 52. Plus 4 can be shifted towards right side to simplify this and to bring it into a proper form so that we can do midterm breaking. We are going towards midterm breaking. Now plus 4 when will be shifted towards right side of equal sign, it will become minus. 52 minus 4 will be 48. X square plus x square 2x square because 1x square plus 1x square will become 2x square. We are adding up. plus 4x square and plus 4 will be shifted towards right side. Now I will take 2 common because it's very obvious 2 is common over here. We are doing simplification, so we will take 2 common from these two terms, and what left inside, x square plus 2x, because 4 can be divided by this common 2 times. So we left with 2x over here is equal to 48. Now this 2 is being multiplied with x square plus 2x. So when we will shift it towards right side, it will divide it. Position will be different. After the shifting on the right or left side, the numbers change their all the numbers change their position according to the rules of the algebra. So this is the rule of algebra. When a number is being multiplied with some number and we are going to shift it towards right side, it will divide the right side. So right side is 48, so 2 will divide 48. All right. We cannot shift this 2. Now come to this step again. Before taking this 2 common, come here. Many students do this blunder. They shift this 2 towards right side and the 4 is still there. No, first of all you will take common and then you will shift it, because here 2 is just multiplying with x square and 4 with x. This is not the common of the whole term. From left side, when we shift some number to right side, this number should be a common of the whole expression on the left side. Whole expression on the left side is 2x square plus 4x, so its common is 2. So this 2 is being multiplied now with the internal expression. Brackets means multiplication. Whatever is inside the brackets, it means this number is being multiplied with it. Now this will be shifted towards right side. It will divide 48 and we will get 24. If I shift this 24 towards left side, this is plus, this will become minus. Plus term becomes minus, and minus term becomes plus. Look at this, plus 4, it has become minus 4, and look at this 24, it is plus, it has become minus 24 when these are shifted towards right or left side. Now we have a quadratic equation in front of us, and we have done midterm breaking in my previous videos. You can see those previous videos in which I have done midterm breaking. There's a heading midterm breaking at the top of the page. You can open that page and you can revise your midterm breaking rules. 24 is a number which helps us to break this midterm. 24 has two numbers, which is 24 is actually product of 6 and 4. 6 4s are 24, so 6 and 4 are factors. We make factors of this number, and these factors help us in breaking midterm. Now we have plus sign, so with bigger term we will give plus sign, and the smaller term will be given negative sign. And we will write down this variable which is along with 2, along with plus 2. This is the variable x. Plus 2x means x is variable, so we will put this variable with these factors, and these factors are helping us to break midterm. When we subtract minus 4x from plus 6x, we get plus 2x. It means if we are getting plus 2x, this breaking of midterm is appropriate. We will shift these two numbers, or we will replace plus 2x by plus 6x minus 4x, like this. Now instead of plus 2x, we will write down plus 6x minus 4x, because ultimately it means these two numbers means plus 2x. Minus, if you are once again, if you are able to get this plus 2x back from this breaking, then it means you are right, otherwise you are wrong. Minus 24 as it is equal to 0, because 24 will, when shifted towards left side, right side become 0. This right side became 0. Now we will make pairs. First two terms and last two terms, we will make their pairs. We will group them in two terms and two terms. There are two groups of two terms, or in two groups there are two terms, right? Means whenever you have four terms, you make pairs of these four terms, and there are two pairs right now. It is called grouping as well. It is called making pairs. It is called making groups, whatever. Now x square plus 6s, just 6x. Just look at this. What is common out of these two? X is common in both the terms. What left behind? Here we have x square. It means 1x is out and 1x will remain inside. Plus 6 out and 6 will come as leftover remainder. Minus. Now we will take minus common. When minus is common outside, it will change this sign when it will come inside. 4 is common of these two terms. These two terms are giving us 4 as common. Minus 4 as common. What left inside? X. Minus will make this minus plus, and 4 will divide this 24 by 6. So x plus 6 inside. If you are getting these two factors same, x plus 6 and x plus 6, it means you are right. You are going towards the right destination. Now, throughout this expression, what is common? Big factor. X plus 6 is common and x minus 4 left over. When we will take x plus 6 from first term and x plus 6 from second terms, what left behind? Just keep your finger over here. X plus 6 is no more here. So what left? You left with x. Now x plus 6 no more over here. You left with minus 4. This way you will get two factors. These are two consecutive factors because between the brackets there is no sign. We don't write down sign when we do this process. These are two factors. Whenever we have these factors equal to some 0, equal to something or equal to 0, it means either this factor is equal to 0 or this factor is equal to 0. So we will put them to find out the number. Either x plus 6 is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. Plus 6 will be shifted towards right side, will become minus 6. X is equal to minus 6. As come to the question again, as I have told you, these are two consecutive positive even numbers. Positive even numbers. X and x plus 2 are positive even numbers. So whatever is the number, if it is negative, we will neglect it. So we will write down neglected. Now from the second factor, what we are getting, x is equal to minus 4 will be shifted towards right side, will become plus 4. As our numbers, our requirement are positive numbers, so x is equal to 4 is first number. And what is the second number? We have supposed x plus 2 is the second number. We will write down x plus 2, put the value of x, and we will get 6 as second number. Therefore the required numbers are 6 and 4 or 4 and 6, and both the numbers are even numbers as per the requirement, because our requirement is to find out two consecutive positive even numbers. So we found successfully 4 and 6 as positive consecutive even numbers. Okay guys, that's all about this video. I tried my level best to make everything clear to you. So if my videos are beneficial for you, do like and subscribe so that you may get notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you very much.